Living Minute, a look at the latest medical innovations changing our lives. Brought to you by Thermo Fisher Scientific's coronavirus testing program for schools and the Health Channel.
Results from a Cleveland Clinic study show the benefits of deep brain stimulation, a process involving a kind of brain pacemaker for those who've had a stroke.
We evaluated for the first time if we could use a modified type of brain pacemaker, if we could help people recover from the weakness that resulted from a stroke.
12 patients were studied and 7 of them had a great response. They were able to regain mobility in their hand and arm.
It's really meaningful for the researchers to see that their work is making a real impact in someone's life.
The next phase of the study will include 40 people and involvement from other organizations in the U.S.
This Living Minute is brought to you by Thermo Fisher Scientific's coronavirus testing program for schools and the Health Channel.